Welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the very pretty, the soft silk material with elegant, the Kanjivaram style border with a Meenakari detailing in golden zari weaves in affordable price point, just rupees 1450. If you need to explore our virtual store, then must be visit www.vastranand.in and you can explore more than 4500 plus designs in affordable price point, different categories, different wide range of this color range. Let me start the video. Here you can see the first color, the Rani pink color, Kankavati pink color combination with a green color fusions with a Retapad style border with a golden zari traditional touch up in entire the border part. Here you can see the Retapad style border. Both sides you receive the same size border with a thousands of Meenakari buttas with a green and yellow color fusions in entire the body. Let me show you the pallu parts. In pallu parts, you receive the same border color combination, the very pretty, the golden zari weaves with the mango pan detailing in entire the pallu parts. Look at the pretty look of this, very rich look of this rich pallu parts with the golden zari fusions. Totally wedding collection, affordable price point. Here you can see the Kankavati pink color combination with a green color fusions in both sides of the sari parts with the border. Let me show you the softness of the sari. Here you can see the very pretty, lightweighted, spring friendly, affordable price point and luxurious material, soft semi silk material. Just rupees 1450, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available. Celebrity style look, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you receive the free shipping, but cash on delivery charge will be extra. Here you can see the green color combination, the self brocade blouse piece. Let me show you the second color option. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D.C, share G.I.D.C, subscribe G.I.D.C, our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So must be booked one day before in our customer care executive number. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Let me show you the last but not the least, the very pretty, everyone loves the half white color combination with a red color combination with a vibrant color combination with a positive energy received after buying this product. That's my commitment. Here you can see the very pretty, the half white with a red color combination for upcoming festival season of this Pongal with a red color combination rich pallu with a Meenakari Retapad style border with a multicolor fusions. Here you can see the both side you receive the same size border with elegant the yellow Rama green half white color combination, multicolor fusions in Meenakari patterns in entirety body with a golden zari mango pan buttis in entirety body part. This saree also you received at just rupees 1450, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with a red color combination, self brocade blouse piece. Was from Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.